My name is Sylvester A. Hansen, and I will be your narrator slash artist for this Tentative tutorial, which is all about character design in a three-part series on character design. For this one, it is all about the face. So, I start off this drawing by making a bit of an Asian-inspired character, which maybe says a lot about this particular instance of the character design series. Because I did not have any idea what I was doing starting this series off. I knew that I wanted to do a character design episode or series of episodes mainly because it is what I feel most comfortable doing. This is where I feel the strongest, and there's nothing wrong with showcasing at least what you think is your strongest asset. Um, so what I did here was really just make a few narrow guidelines, like nothing too specific, but I knew that I wanted to do a female character. I knew that I wanted to show diversity, both in terms of background, ethnicity, but also religion, so that you'll see later. And I knew that I wanted to make the characters feel retro, feel like they came from an era that is not the one we're currently at. So this one was the first one that I really went balls to the wall on both the retro and the diversity thing. I did an African character. I believe she's African American. As you'll see later, some of the styling is very much based on what African American starlets were wearing during the 20s. So, as you can see here, this is very African American starlet Hollywood-ish. So I just wanted to give that sort of feeling to it, give that sort of retro, old school feel. I also tried a little bit on a more masculine character. This is actually, I believe, the most modern of the characters, as her hairstyle, as you'll see in a bit, is sort of based on a very current hairstyle, at least in Denmark, which really both men and women wear, but mostly men. Women with this particular hairstyle tend to, I would say, be lesbians. I'm sorry about that. But I sort of wanted to feminize her face and give her that very masculine haircut. So now this one was actually the one that I think I worked on the most diligently, because for one character I wanted the face to emote the character. I wanted you to be able to read the character off the bat. So what you can see here is sort of this smug looking down at you angle. I tried some really crazy hair on this one and abandoned that in favor of this religious headpiece. So she's either a nun or it may be a hijab, I don't quite know. But I sort of wanted to give you that sort of smug, sort of bitchy look to her while still remaining feminine. So this last one, I actually wanted to do something a little different. I hadn't really worked with age. These were all women in their, I would say, mid to late 20s. So I wanted to give you sort of this regal feeling character that is a little bit older. And one of the things that were actually really fun about this one is I tried hair on her, and it did not work. It youthed her up, and I felt like it was important for this character to remain in that regal, older place. And to do that, I needed for her to be bold. So these were my characters. I'm just shuffling them around. So this is my set of characters. Frankly, I do not know which one I'm going to be working on further. But tune in next week when I will be creating a head-to-toe design for this character. So thank you for listening, and goodbye.